Turned the wrong way. I don't know. We'll find out when I look at it at home.
All right. Thank you.
That's 3 tool sets that went out. I think you bought a gross. It's 144. We got 141 to go. Oh God, I'm gonna sit down here in the shade for a little bit. Drink the rest of my drink real quick, and then go get another cold one, and then shut this video off and hope it's better than the first one. Okay. Oh, I made it down. Okay, this is your last shot, and I don't know who's going to win. They haven't raffled the big plane off, have they? That's probably the last one. And the 50-50 raffle. Here comes Mike back to take a look at the land, lay of the land. Okay. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Nothing but blue skies and fluffy clouds all around. 2 days ago out here at the field, it must have rained an inch in less than an hour. The parking lot water was running across it a ½ inch deep. But God, what a gorgeous day. This was supposed to have been 87 degrees today. The last I heard was 83. So, with that, I'm John Vinson, and past president of the club up until December of last year. And I'm now the treasurer of the club. And my next duty will be to count all the money and see if we made any money today for the club. This is one of 2 events that we have that raises money other than our club dues. We do have the cheer fund, which is coming up, cheer fund, farmers cheer fund, which all the profits from that are donated to the cheer fund, and the firemen then those monies go out to help less fortunate children have a much better Christmas. And our only other money-making event, in addition to this 11th annual Joe Grube Memorial Big Bird Fly-In, the only other thing we have is our swap meet, which I think is on October, I believe it's the 17th. And I hear Ken Erickson out there motioning for somebody. He wants somebody to come out. I have no idea what for. Well, I'm going to just let the video go. Why turn it off? I mean, if you guys want, if you're tired of looking at it, just shut her off. We're up to 10 minutes and 18 seconds.
Okay, we're going to pay attention, folks. We're going to draw some raffle prizes. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way to the top. The last one drawn will be the P40. So hang on. Thomas is going to be drawing. He is not associated with this. Hot dogs are good. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. I wasn't sure. Hey, brothers. Most of them were cooked too much. Get it just right. Where's Dave? Dave?
He was here a minute ago. Check the. He's probably in the porta potty.
These aren't your guys' waters, are they?
Okay.
Oh yeah? Nice. I grew up in Ann Arbor, or in Western Michigan. Cold water's where I was born and raised in the town.
Is the last 4 numbers are 3053. 3053.
Doesn't have a name on it?
Does not.
Uh,
That's for the cool power.
I'd say make another maybe at the very end, make another announcement, and if nobody shows up, then you're gonna have to draw another number.
Mike, I think the microphone, I don't know if it's out of range or...
Oh, it's not working?
just that last one, I think.
Hello.
It's-
No, it's died. Now we gotta find the other one.
I can hear you with the microphone, and the microphone was working a little bit ago.
But it's not now, right? Hello.
No, it's not.
Ground control to Major Tom.
I said, you need somebody to yell. I happen to know...
Here, let me have it, Mike.
All right, hang on. We're gonna draw a little bit. As soon as I find it.
I'll be right here.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mike, can you hear me? I turned it on. No, apparently not all the way. I used my big fingernail and pushed it all the way up. So Mike is now back on the air, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Fix-It took care of him. Matter of fact, the assistant field manager.
That's right. And again, I want to do this again. 3053. You want a gallon of fuel if you're here. Next is for a standard glow starter, Magnum. Oh, we get a name. Russ Kuhn. I believe they just left.
They have their phone number.
Yep, thank you. We will get in touch with them. And then close these down. All right, we've got an expanded scale voltmeter and a voltmeter. So let's see who wins that. Swank.
That would be Brian
Brian
Swank.
Swank.